Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Reeve knives small Inkosi limited edition here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what's in the box, because Reeve knives has improved their packaging by a lot lately. In fact, they are including all these goodies like a decal, of course, like the certificate of authenticity, and some other cards, like this is like registration, some timeline with some of their pretty cool achievements. Of course, you're gonna find your Loctite, a couple of Allen wrenches for the pivot, one for the handle screw, and the Reeve knives grease, as well as the leather pouch, think twice, cut once, and Reeve logo on the other side. And then you're gonna have a nice cloth. Also, this is nicely padded, nice foam right here. And then you're gonna have this Reeve knives cloth, which is gonna be wrapped around your Inkosi. In this case, this is a small Inkosi, and it's a really cool one. This is a glass blasted finish, so it's a limited edition, really rare. I'm not sure how many have been made of these, but for sure it's a rare one with this orange lanyard. Really cool. Let's see, this is a really small knives, guys. The overall length is gonna be 6.5 inches with a 3.75 inch long handle and 2.75 inch long blade. This guy is a titanium frame lock. In this case has been glass blasted, and therefore it has quite some different finish from a regular small Inkosi you're gonna find. If you see, the thumb stud also is matching the finish of the handle. Very cool. Of course, the clip as well. And nicely done, for sure. It's a titanium frame lock. There's no skeletonization on the inside. This is S35VN drop point blade, hollow grind, dual tone finish. There's a ceramic ball detent right over here, which is very cool. It gives an incredible smoothness as you open, as you unlock throughout the action of the knife, which is slow, but it's still very cool. The sound this guy makes is really classy. I love it. It's very cool. When you carry this guy around, you're gonna notice that this is a small knife, yeah, but it has a little bit of weight to it. In fact, this guy is gonna weigh in at 2.94 ounces, which is not too much, but it's dense, and I appreciate that. Fit and finish, of course, is classic. Reeve, like crazy tight tolerances. It's just put together like fantastically. Also, they angled the pocket clip, so it's gonna feel really good in the hand. There's not gonna be much hot spots because yeah, it's nicely, you see a couple of finger grooves, really cool. So nicely done. The clip, it's not my favorite because it's pretty simple to me, but it's absolutely effective. It has a nice design, nice spring tension. Of course, this guy is running on washers, and it's a very smooth and cool one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.